In this video, I'm just going to talk about general x and y intercepts for quadratic graphs. So remember, a quadratic in standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. Now we've learned that we can actually see them in quite a few different forms. We've got vertex form, standard form, or intercept form. The x-intercepts. On a graph, the x-intercepts are where the graph crosses the x-axis. We always write the x-intercepts as x, comma, 0, because at the x-axis, this is where y equals 0. Your quadratic graph could have 2 x-intercepts, it could have 1 x-intercept, or it could have 0 x-intercepts. It all just depends on where it is on the graph. To find the x-intercepts, there's a few things you might need to do. One is to factor. If you factor, you can find the x-intercepts. Another tip is to use Desmos. If you look at Desmos, you can visually see where the graph crosses the x-axis, and you can find those ordered pairs. And the third, remember that we got intercept form. Intercept form gets its name because it shows you the x-intercepts. So in intercept form, you can find the x-intercepts by just looking at the factors that are given to you in intercept form. Now the y-intercept, this is where the graph crosses the y-axis. So that's when x is 0, and then we have the y for that problem. A graph will only ever have one y-intercept. It can never have more than one, only one. Now to find the y-intercept, there's a few things you could do. If it's in standard form, the y-intercept is just c. So in standard form, it's 0, comma, c. In the other forms, to find the y-intercept, just plug in 0 for x, and you can then simplify to find the y-intercept. Finally, you can also look on Desmos for where the graph crosses the y-axis.